Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am unboxing the best budget full-size keyboard of 2026, the Antonium Pro 108 Tri-Mode Gasket Keyboard. Let's jump right in. Inside the box we get a USB cable, the 2.4 GHz dongle, keycap puller, switch puller, extra keycap, the keyboard and the manual. Pretty solid accessories for the price. Here's the keyboard, full-size 108 keys, gasket mount and a clean premium design. It feels sturdy and way better than most budget keyboards. Key features: tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz, hot swappable switches, RGB lighting and a smooth gasket typing feel. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and let me know what you want to see next.